Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my exact strategy I have used to generate $1 million in sales in 2018 on one of my Shopify store. Having e-commerce business is one of the best thing I have ever done in my life. How I have generated $1 million in sales, from where I was sourcing my products, from where I was getting customers. So in today's video, I will be sharing exact stats of my online store, which I have been running in Australia from 2017. So without wasting any time, I will take you to my laptop screen and I will share my exact store stats with you. So as you can see, I have just opened my Shopify dashboard here, and I have started my store in July 2017. So here you can see from 1st July to 31st July, I have generated $0 in sales. I have got 20 sessions, and there is no one who is buying my products. So in 2017, starting from 1st July to 31st December 2017, here you can see I have generated only $178 in sales. I have got 1,500 sessions, and we have got only 6 orders. So that was quite low. But when I have started scaling to my store, so in January 2018, I have started working on the store and started scaling it. You can see I have generated almost $1,300 in sales and got 2,800 sessions. So I have got 15 orders, and that was most of them I was getting for my bedding products, which I was sourcing from AliExpress. Here is my Splash store, which I was using. I was sourcing my wedding products from here. This is on AliExpress. You can check it over here. So in February 2018, I have generated almost $397 in sales, and then in March 2018, I have generated $1,500 in sales from 2,800 sessions, and I have got 19 orders. So most of the traffic was coming from social media. You can see over there and most of the products I was selling was my bedding products. So I started scaling my store in April 2018. In first 15 days of April 2018, I have generated almost $800 in sales. And then when I started advertising aggressively on social media, in 15 days only, I have generated $44,000 in sales. That was from only 19,000 visitors. So here you can see that is a pretty good conversion rate, that is 1.83%, and pretty good order value, that is above $100. You can see I have got almost 388 orders on my store, and again that was all from my bedding products that I was sourcing from AliExpress. Yeah, so here you can see these were these kind of products I was selling on my website, on my Shopify store. So I have got almost 388 orders in April 2018, in last 15 days of April 2018. So in May 2018, I have generated almost $75,000 in sales. That is pretty awesome. Then I started scaling my store more aggressively, and in July 2018, I have made over 100K in sales in 30 days. So here you can see all my stats comparing to June, and that is pretty awesome conversion rate. Uh, Almost $125 and average order value. You can see I have got almost 900 orders, and again that was from my bedding products. So I was scaling my store in Australia. So most of the sessions, most of the customers are coming from Australia. Here you can see on only social media I have generated 76,000. So that was the major source of traffic was Facebook. You can see over here. And then again in November 2018, I have generated about 200K in sales, and the conversion rate is pretty awesome. That is 3.3%. And you can see average order value, you can see returning customer rate, which is also pretty awesome. And you can see the graph here, the graph is going above, and here you can see I have touched almost $17,000 in sales on 23 November 2018, which was like Black Friday or something like that. So yeah, you can see most of the time I was getting orders on my bedding products, which I was sourcing from a supplier in China. Yeah, let's see, we search over there. Yeah, so this is the product. I was getting more orders, and I have sold almost 169 units of these products only in November. Okay, so in 2018, starting from 1st January to 31st December, my store have generated above $1 million in sales. Yeah, you can see I have generated almost 180K sales in the summer 2018 and 200K sales in November 2018. And my conversion rate of store is pretty awesome as well. Average order value is pretty awesome. So I have got almost 10,000 orders in 2018. So getting most of the traffic from social media. You can advertise your products on social media as well, like on TikTok, on Facebook, and on many other channels as well. You can start sourcing products from AliExpress. Here you can start finding suppliers of your products in which you are interested. You can source all of these products from AliExpress and start making a Shopify store, and you can start generating sales by advertising on TikTok, advertising on Google. Here you can see I have generated almost above 700K sales from social media only, and that is pretty awesome. So AliExpress is one of the best source to source any kind of products from China and then put them on your Shopify store and make good sales through TikTok, through Facebook, through Instagram, any other channel. Here you can see, check the price of this light. And here you can see, check the price of this stock. It's only $1. Check here, it's only $9. You can put it for $25, $30 easily on your own website and start advertising it. So once you open a product, you can see supplier store. Here you will see here is the supplier store. You can open it up, and there will be an option to contact them. You can simply sign into your account and contact them easily. They all products this store is selling. Only you have to check the rating of the supplier, and then you have to check the number of followers, how much number of followers each store has. Then you can start contacting with them, and if they can dropship for you, you can start sourcing from them. You can see they have written offer dropshipping service. That means they are dropshipping for their customers. For the, if you are getting to source from them, you please make sure they have the good number of followers, they have pretty awesome products, and then you can source from them, and then you can start selling over there. So there are a few things which are very important when you are going to start your Shopify store. The main thing is sourcing from where you are going to source your products, from where you can find your suppliers. If you find good products to source, if you find cheap suppliers, you can generate thousands of dollars in sales from advertising these products on different social media platforms. TikTok is one of them, Facebook is one of them, Instagram is one of them. You can also advertise your products on Google as well. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.